Hey, I'm Travis, and welcome to Beard Network. Today I'm going to be going over some of those dreadful new beard problems. The first one obviously is the itch. Whenever I first started growing my beard, I noticed it pretty soon, but I have to admit it wasn't too bad with me, but it is still annoying as shit. Uh, Now it's finally starting to get better. I'm getting out of that phase now, but every once in a while it still itches. I can still feel new hair growing in, and it does itch from time to time. I just put some good old beard oil on it to help it stay hydrated, and that's that. But if the itch is real bad for you, then I'd probably suggest maybe oiling your beard a couple times a day. Also, make sure that the oil gets down to your skin, because that's what you're actually trying to get. The itchiness is caused from your skin drying out because it's trying to oil your face and all your hair, and it runs out and your skin gets dry and itchy. So make sure the oil gets all the way down on the skin, and you might have to do it a couple times a day. That's fine. As long as it keeps your beard from itching and driving you crazy, then it's all good. And number two is just feeling the hair on your face. You know, every time the wind blows or just moving your face around, you're gonna feel all those hair follicles moving around on your skin, and it takes a lot of getting used to. I know it took a minute for me to get used to it, but the longer they get, the more they lay down and the less you'll actually feel it, so it gets better. And number three would have to do with eating. Now that my mustache is starting to get longer, it's starting to go over my lip, and just having the beard right here and around the edges of my mouth, eating food is starting to become more annoying. I haven't really quite worked it out yet. I'm constantly getting food and drink in my mustache and on the sides, on my beard. I probably have to wash my face after every meal now. I haven't worked out a solid plan to avoid, or how to avoid, getting food in my mustache or beard. If you got the secret, let me know. So those are the three main issues that I've been having so far. If you have any different ones that you've been experiencing, let me know, and I'll talk about them as well. With that being said, though, if you do find yourself enjoying this content, please hit that subscribe button, maybe drop a like. I'd appreciate it greatly. And with that being said, have a great day. If you got the secret, let me know. You know the secret? On that regard, never mind. My stepson, he just said he knows the secret, so he's gonna fill me in and I'll let you know. Bye.